Hi, my name is Ravishankar Kumar and I am from Nalanda. I have completed Bachelor of Computer Application in Indian College, Patna. I want to tell us about eVision. eVision is the best platform to learn from basic level to advanced level or upskilling. eVision trainer trained us from zero level so that anyone can understand easily. Those who have no any idea about IT domain. In the beginning, I was worried how I will understand, but the eVision made it easy. After internship, I got placed in Unique System Private Limited with the package of 2.5 LPA. Thank you, eVision, and all placement team.